Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scruppin' on the Go. And this process video is for Oh So Inspire collaboration team. And our collaborator is Alicia of Call Me Crafty Owl. She selects our inspiration piece each month. And for the month of October, she selected this printed season card by Cindy Birnbach. And I will have a link to her video where she shows you in detail how she created this beautiful, awesome card. All right, these are the products that I selected that I took from that inspiration piece, the Mood and Feel, and I selected a Paige Evans whimsical number 24 that she created for Pink Paisley. And then I also took that other paper from Echo Park, and one side is solid, and the other side is got a gold foil dot to it, and you'll see that in a minute. All right, I am gonna first, this is the full 12 by 12, but I do cut it down. And the other piece I cut here of the Echo Park, I'm first taking off the branding strip, but I do cut it, I think, 4 inches by 12, but only show 3 inches. And then my, the whimsical one with the flower is cut, I'm measuring right now, I'm sorry. It is cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches. So I have a little bit of an overlap to create my 12 by 12 base layout. All right, sorry for that pause. I just wanted to get that information out there for you. If you'd like to recreate it, if you have these same papers, or just want to scrap lift my layout design. All right, I'm getting out this old EK punch. It is a small scallop punch, and I am going to put that, layer that over to the left hand side with the polka dots, the foiled polka dots, and those are a silver. I don't know if my video, if you can pick that up, but it is a silver polka dot. And so, like I said, I will layer that along with that other strip, which comes from the One Canoe 2 Saturday afternoon collection. So basically on this layout, I have 3 different collections by 2 different manufacturers. I don't think One Canoe, is it by American Crafts? I think so, I'm not sure. But anyway, all right, I am taking this photograph, which is of me and my little guy, taken this year, March of 2019. I took a break of scrapbooking my 2018 photographs. I'm down to just a couple autumn photographs to do for 2018 and a few Christmas layouts or winter layouts, and then that's it. And then I'll be ready for 2019. I'm always a year behind. All right, so back to this layout. I am layering papers behind, so I did one initial mat, then all my mats, matter of fact, behind this photograph are from the One Canoe 2 Saturday afternoon collection, except for the clear vellum sheet of paper right there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers under this photograph. And that piece right there is from, like I said, the Saturday afternoon collection, but that comes from, the foil one comes from their paper pad, the, what is it, the 7 by 8s or the 6 by 7s pads, the bigger pads, it's not the 6 by 6. All right, and then for my title, I'm using, again, these foam alpha words. And again, it comes from the One Canoe 2 Saturday afternoon, and I'm using Good Vibes Only. And then I will get out the sticker sheet and create a cluster around the bottom towards the left of the photograph. And let's see, what else do I want to tell you? I'm doing the title. I know that you can't see it from the, it doesn't really stand out in the video. Again, I've said this before, it's from the distance that your camera is to the layout. And if it was closer, you could get the same feel and mood that I do seeing it in person. All right, I'm just going to trim up this little layering piece right there, and you'll see me trim it up a couple of times because I'm going to bring in that puffy flower, which again, that to me is represented, I'm representing that flower that's on the card. That card is beautiful and it works great. The colors in it, I know you think, oh, that's a printed season card. But it works great to document like a fall or wintry spring photo, early spring photo is what I did because it gives you kind of that autumn feel. And let's see, I'm looking here trying to decide what else from the puffy stickers that I want to use. So I get out this heart, and that heart looks great down there to the bottom right. I've got it over there to the left, but I'm going to bring in a banner, so that heart's going to get moved close to that puffy flower sticker in the upper left of the photograph. So there's that banner. Now that did not come from the One Canoe Saturday afternoon. I'm trying to think what collection, or maybe it did. I'm trying to think. Maybe it did. Sometimes I don't remember my die cuts. All right, so now I took off the other sticker that is like a tag, but I will trim it off. At the end, you'll see that in the close-up, and that tag says, "It's a beautiful day." All right, before I forget, below in the description box are the links to the other fabulous ladies of this collab. What I love about this collab team is you will get a variety of inspiration. So there are some that do layouts of different sizes, pocket pages, that does tags or junk journals, or just, and cards. There's a few of them that create cards. And then there's some that create like home decor elements. All right, so you need to go check out the other ladies' links listed below. They are very talented and awesome, and you will not be disappointed. I love them all, enjoy watching all their videos, but I especially love learning techniques about cards. I got away from making cards, and I am slowly getting back into making cards. Two things that I got away from in my crafty style was doing my junk journals and cards, but I'm slowly bringing all of that back into my process videos. All right, so off to the right hand side you see a palette of paints there, and that the paints are on the upper row and the lower row are Jane Davenport, but in the middle I found out about this lady that makes her own watercolor paints called Rachel. I can't think of her last name, but if I remember, I'll put her link listed below. But if I forget, please feel free to message me or leave a comment below. But I love these. She does a whole pan set of glitter metallics and plain metallics, and I'm using the copper. I love, love, love. So if you're looking at that, the middle row, from the left to the right, it's that third one, so it's the middle one. That copper watercolor paint is awesome. It has a great finish. You have to stay all the way to the end to see the close-ups. I love it, love it, love her watercolor paints. But anyway, I just sprinkle around, and this layout's complete. See, I don't have a lot of embellishments on this layout. I have a lot of layers, but just enough to give the right mood and feel, and I love it. I'm letting the papers on this layout speak for itself to create this awesome layout. All right, get out your photographs, document your memories, or get out your items and make a card or a home decor. And make sure you check out the other ladies. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that bell button. All right, we'll see you next month. And we post on the 15th of each month. Bye.